Join us now for the OECS Minute, brought to you by the OECS.
With regard to the status of implementation, I think the most important elements for us right now to highlight are the free movement of people, which is underway and ongoing. We've touched what I think is really the tip of the iceberg. It's a significant tip, but it's a tip nevertheless, because the facilitation of movement at the border is really the first step. We need to deal with what happens after people cross the border. That's the most, perhaps even a more important part of the free movement. So after you cross the border, what happens? So immigration is nice to you and customs allows you in, but can you work? Are you able to integrate into the society? What are the difficulties that you face after the border? So those are also important and have to be dealt with. So matters relating to harmonization of labor legislation, matters relating to work permits and the removal of the work permit requirement, which was decided by the authority of heads of government. Are these things in place? How can we ensure that they are in place? Access to land. If people move, they want land because they want to build their homes, they want to set up their businesses. Can they do so? How difficult is it? What are the impediments and what is it we need to do to ensure that these things can happen without difficulty? So that is the reason that I say what we see at the border and what we are celebrating right now as we talk about free movement of people is really the beginning of the work. Important nevertheless, and as I say, integration is a series of activities and events. So we celebrate each one. So now that we're able to cross the borders without hassle, that is reason for celebration.
Your OECS Minute, brought to you by the OECS.